Hollie Shearer left fans stunned as she dazzled in a revealing bikini. The 26-year-old is the daughter of Premier League legend Alan Shearer. In her most recent Instagram post, Hollie got her 82,600 followers hot under the collar as she posed in swimwear.
The blonde bombshell looked incredible in her flowery attire and captioned her upload, "The last day of sunshine." Wearing my absolute fave bikini brand Black Bow Swim. Hollie stood in a kitchen holding an ice-cold glass of water in the image, but fans thought she looked hot.
One said, "What a natural little beauty your ex." Read more on Hollie Shearer thing. Alan Shearer's glam daughter Hollie flashes bra in see-through lace top. Sheer class. Alan Shearer's glamorous daughter Hollie shows off her toned tummy in crop top. Another added with a love heart emoji. Lush. A third reacted, "Oh you beaut." Aside from modeling, Hollie is a singer-songwriter.
She lives in Paris with England rugby star boyfriend Joe Marchant, who plays for Stade Francais. Most read in football. Tough luck. Everton hit with another 2-point deduction after breaking PSR rules. Stick it all on red. Supercomputer predicts title winners after United dent Liverpool hopes title race. How Arsenal, Man City and Liverpool's Prem title race run-ins compare. No holding. BAHCE Fenerbahce field U19's exit pitch after 2 minutes in Turkish Cup madness. Hollie is no stranger to wowing fans, recently catching the eye in a see-through top.
The beauty also gave her fans little to imagine as she flashed her bra and looked stylish in a leather jacket. Alan Shearer's glam daughter Hollie stuns in see-through top and leather jacket inside Hollie's glamorous life as singer, model, football icon's daughter and rugby wag.